Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch. Crochet, yes, this is crochet. Looks like a brioche stitch, doesn't it? Knit brioche stitch, but it's done crochet. So what you need to do is you need to chain as long as you want. I chained a lot. I didn't count my chain. This was my leftover yarn, so I used it all up. It uses up lots of yarn, just want to point out. And I had 150 gram of this, I believe 150 or 120, I can't remember. So I added this, and it gave me this length, this wideness, and it's perfect for a scarf. If you have more yarn, by all means, go ahead. So what I'm going to ask you is chain as long as you want. I would prefer a long scarf because you can style this whichever you like. Oops. Just wanted to show you a different, yeah. So what you do is you fold it on half. Well, there's so many ways you can wear it. Here's one of them, which I like. If you want to use up your yarn, here's one of them. It's pretty long, as I said. Just chain and use a big crochet hook. The yarn is a 5 weight. I did 2 ply on this one. This is Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. I think it's called Landscape or Garden, something, I can't remember. But it's one of those stripy yarns, and I did 2 ply, and this one was a 5 weight. Okay. So like I said, chain as long as you want. And let's get started. It's done on half double crochet. Okay, here we go. Here's another way I like to wear it. Yeah, and when you chain long, we're not going to go back and forth like this. What we're going to do is we're going to go horizontal. So yeah, it creates this stitch, and we're going to do half double crochet, but there's a trick to it, and I just found out this recently, and I said, oh my goodness, I have to share this. And it gives you this beautiful stitch. There are other ways to crochet, but I found they're more difficult. Gives you the same look, but this is way easy. Half double crochet, and it goes very fast, and it's fun. Like, you know, if time flies by when you're crocheting it, especially when you're watching a movie, you don't have to count anything. Just grab this and crochet. Blanket, I'm thinking of making blankets with this stitch because it is nice and thick. Yeah, you can use up your yarn that you have and make it colorful like this. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to let you crochet and chain as long as you want, and we'll start with the half double crochet. Okay, doesn't this look nice? The yarn that I'm going to use is this jumbo, I believe it's a 5 weight. It's huge. I bought this from Dollarama just the other day for $4.25 Canadian dollars. Okay, and it doesn't say here anything, but I know it's a 5. Here it says it's 170 gram. I thought it was 120. I did weigh it, so it is pretty heavy. It feels like Lion Brand Easy Knit, was it? They have these number 5, same. That's what it reminds me of. Like it's not that bad at all. So what I did is, so I'm going to use the 2 because then it would be a little bit wider. I'm not going to show you how to do the entire scarf. This is just a tutorial on how to crochet the stitch. And you can make anything with this stitch. Like I said, blankets, you can make cardigans. And it goes super fast. And you use up your yarn. I do have these blanket yarn. Burnette blanket yarn. You can use these as well. I bought this from Superstore. The price is $13, but I had points, so $10 off from this. I used up, so I only paid $3 out of my pocket. Well, it's the points that I use for my grocery when I use my PC MasterCard. I had it since they started. Over 10 years. When did they start? At 2011. PC MasterCard. So I have that card that I use, and it gives me at least $50 a week. Yeah, and I use it for grocery shopping. If my husband he sometimes uses before I do. So I chained total of 200 chain for this scarf, and I chained an extra 5. Let's chain another 2 just to be on the safe side. So what I'm going to do is, it's going to be half double crochet. And I don't have time to go and have my nails done. I do. I love this system because my nails are so weak, and tomorrow's going to be 5 weeks. I did cut it myself. It's not those acrylic acrylic nails. It's those that nail polishes that they put, and it's called gel. I would highly recommend whoever's having weak nails like I do. They break easily. And I'm always cooking, so that's why I like my nails nice and short. But I like this, yeah, I need to have it done because tomorrow's going to be 5 weeks. When I go and have my hair cut, I'll do it. I'll have it done then. Because they open at 10 and I wake up early. So sometimes I don't, I can't wait. It takes a while for them to put the nail polish, the gel nail polish. Just wanted to share this. Yeah, I do have weak nails. Even I take vitamin B. Vitamin B is in Bravo, and then E is in Echo. But still, they're weak. Okay, so what we're going to do is, it's so easy. It's so super easy. What you do is, it's like doing half double crochet, same. But I come right here on the 3rd, and then I make a half double crochet. Okay? And then I go to the next. I don't go to the back. No, nothing like that. It's super easy, beginner friendly. It's so easy. I would highly recommend if you're new. Just grab the yarn that you have. If you don't have a stash, if you're new, you won't have a stash like us who have been knitting, crocheting over 40 years, right? So, yeah. 5, I would highly recommend. Well, you can do 2. You can do 2 strands if you have thin yarn. Like I have white thin yarn here, right? Cones and cones in my room right now, in my craft room. So I'm planning to make something out of that. Stay tuned for that as well. It's a crochet. So I'm going to use up the yarn that I have in my stash. I'm not going to go out and buy, but so you can do 2, and then you can crochet if you have thin yarn. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to go and buy a bulky 5 or a bulky 6 to do this stitch. So this is all I'm going to do. So I'm going to let you crochet because I have over 200 stitches here. It's going to take me a while, and I'm just doing half double crochet on each chain, and this is how it looks like. The trick starts on the next row, and then you keep on repeating that row. Nothing different at all. And yeah, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm not going to crochet this last one just to be on the safe side because I didn't leave that much yarn here, Sometimes we do that. I should have left more. But that's okay. So what I'll do is I'll just pull this as tight as I can, and I will weave it later on. So I'm going to chain 2 to go up, turn my work. So this is where the magical happens. Okay, so I'm going to do yarn over. Okay, so what we usually do is we do half double crochet here, but no, we're not going to do it there. What we're going to do is, so we're going to do front post. So right here, this line, can you see this line? Can you see those V's? Well, they look like V's. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a front post like this, and then pull it, and then pull. Okay, and then we're going to repeat this. This is all we're doing. At the beginning, it is like fiddly. It feels weird because we usually don't do this technique. But the more, well, after crocheting that scarf, I'm really having fun. And then sometimes I notice when I'm watching a horror movie, what I do is I come here and I do it, the half double crochet. But you will notice it right away because there is going to be a beautiful V's creating on the back that looks like the brioche stitch. And this is perfect for scarves, gifts, blankets, and then so on. This is all we're doing. Half double crochet, and then right here. So we poke our crochet hook. And the crochet hook I'm using is a 6.5 tulip. When you buy the set, it's the largest comes up to 6, but I went and bought this on Amazon Extra. So I'm waiting, maybe they will make 7, 8, because I'm having a hard time crocheting with other crochet hooks, because I'm used to this one. And I just love the metal. I don't know what this is, but it's just nice and smooth. I wish they made tulip crochet hooks. I bought one, and I even have an unboxing for that, and that's another story. So I'm going to crochet this, and I will show you how to do the turnaround and the end of the row. See, this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like on the back. It creates this beautiful, beautiful texture. Just love it, love it, love it. So I will meet you at the end because, you know, there's so many stitches. This is going to take me a while to finish this row. And when I come back, we will start the next row. And then that's all to it. So like I said, it's a very super easy stitch. And I would highly recommend everyone to work on the stitch. It's mindless, like you don't have to count anything. It's just a repeat one row. That's all you do. Poke it in. Front post, that's what it looks like. We're doing front post on here though, not on the half double crochet. Okay, so let me just finish this and I will be right back. Here we are. Okay, see what I just did? Don't do that. Instead of grabbing it from here, front post, then pull. You will see the difference. So this is going to be the last half double crochet to do, front post. And then remember there was the 2 chain, so I just come here on one of the chains and I make a half double crochet. I chain 2 to go up. I turn my work, and then you will see how it looks. And then you start from here on the first, not here, right here, and then you make a front post. And then you repeat this over and over, just like this. So easy. It's beginner friendly, and it goes nicely. I really like this yarn. Unfortunately, I couldn't find at other Dollaramas. Probably they're sold out. So, yeah, this is really nice yarn for the price. Like these are sold for $15,999 American, 15 Canadian, $14.99 Canadian, and for forfeit, how much was it? I took the band off. Here's another one. So I've only paid $4.25. It's beautiful yarn. I did find two beautiful green stage colors. So I will be doing a tutorial, hopefully, with that. So I hope you like this tutorial. You just continue crocheting this. As you can see, I can talk and I can do this. It's mindless, but don't do it this way. If you do it that way, it won't work. Yeah. And it gives you this squishy fabric. Super nice, thick. Beautiful, beautiful. Definitely this would work nice for blankets, Afghans, throw-overs, for boys, blankets. I'm even planning to make a blanket with the yarn that I purchased. Yeah, because it will give this nice feeling to this velvet. Definitely just use a smaller crochet hook on this one, because then it will give a nice tight. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. If you haven't done that, please do it, so every time I post a new video, short, anything, you will be notified, indicating there's something new that I just posted. And share it with your family and friends. You guys take care. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.